Hello everyone, welcome again to GIS ePathshala. In our last video, we finished our exercise. Now, let me see forward. Let me see example number 16. Example number 16 says that solve 6x plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 upon 6. So, from this equation, we have to find the value of 6. So, for finding the value of 6, first of all, we have to remove these denominators. To remove the denominators, so bigger denominator is 6, here 3 is there, here 6 is there. So multiply the both term left hand side and right hand side with 6. Also here I multiply with 6, and here 1 is also multiply with 6, and here I multiply x minus 3 with 6. So here 6 will be cut, and here 3 2s are 6. So here 2 is there. So 2 in bracket 6x plus 1 plus 6 1s are 6x minus 3. Now let me open the bracket. If we open the bracket, so 2 is multiplied with this both. 2 6 are 12x plus 2 1s are 2 plus 6 is equal to x minus 3. So 6 plus 2, here 8 is there. Now let's the term having the variable, let's them take together. So 12x minus x. So this x going to left hand side, so it become minus x, and this 8 going to right hand side, so it become minus 8. So 12x minus 6 is equal to 11x is equal to minus 3 minus 8 is equal to minus 11. So now this 11 goes to division of minus 11. So minus 11 divided by 11. So 11 will be cut. So x is equal to minus 1. So our answer is minus 1. Now let me see example number 17. So example 17, solve 5x minus 2 in bracket 2x minus 7 is equal to 2. 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2. So first of all, let me solve left hand side, then we will solve right hand side. We will convert it into the simple form. So if we open the bracket, so 2 2s are 4x and 2 7s are 14, and here minus sign is there. So minus 4x and minus minus become plus 14. Okay friends, so minus 4x plus 14, 5x minus 4x is equal to x. So x plus 14, it is the left hand side. Now let me solve the right hand side. Right hand side, 6x minus 2 plus 7 by 2. So here 2, this one is the difficult. So let me solve this 2. In the denominator of minus 2, nothing is there, so 1 will be there. So here we want 2. So multiply numerator and denominator with 2. So 2 2s are 4, and here 1 is there, so 1 2s are 2. Now both will be same, so denominator we can take common. So 2 minus 4 plus 7. So minus 4 plus 7, so answer is 3. Now this one 6x plus 3 by 2 is our right hand side. Now let me compare the both side. Left hand side x plus 14 is equal to right hand side 6x plus 3 by 2. Now this 14 is goes to right hand side. Sorry, this x is goes to right hand side, so it become minus x. So 6x minus x plus 3 by 2. So 6x minus x is equal to 5x. Now this 3 by 2 is goes to left hand side. So 14 minus 3 by 2 is equal to 5x. So in the denominator of 14 nothing is there, so 1 will be there. So we want the both denominators same. So 1 2s are 2, 14 2s are 28. So 28 minus 3 upon 2 is equal to 5x. Now 28 minus 3 is equal to 25 by 2 is equal to 5x. Now this 2 is goes to this 5 goes to denominator of 25. So 5 will be here. So 5 5s are 25. So answer is 5 by 2. Okay friends, you can simplify it very easily because now you are in class 8. Very easy. So this way we will get the answer 5 by 2. Now exercise is there. Exercise number 2.5. So let me see exercise 2.5. So first sum, solve the following linear equation. So equation is given. From this equation we have to find the value of x. So let me see how to find the value of x. So first of all, our first work is that take all the term having the x together, and all the term that are constant, let's them take together. So here x by 2 is there, so this x by 3 goes to left hand side, so it's a minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4 as it is, and this minus 1 by 5 going to right hand side, it become plus 1 by 5. Now make the denominator same. Here 3 and 2. So both are prime numbers. So 3 to the 6. So LCM is 6. Here we want 6. So 2 multiplied by 3. So numerator also we multiply numerator with 3. So x multiplied by 3 upon 6 minus. Here 3 is there. Here we want 6. So multiply by 2. So also numerator we multiply by 2. So x multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 2. Here same. 5 is a prime number, but 4 is not prime number. If you find the LCM of 4 and 5, so you will get LCM is equal to 20. So here if you want 20, so 4 multiplied by 5, 20. So upside also you multiply by 5. So 1 multiplied by 5 and 4 multiplied by 5. Here 5 is there. So 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. So both numerator and denominator you multiply with 4. Now 3x and by 6 minus 2x by 6 is equal to 5 by 20 plus 4 by 20. Now you can see both side denominators become same. Now you can take denominator common. So 3x minus 2x is upon 6 is equal to 5 plus 4 upon 20. So 3x minus 2x is equal to x by 6 is equal to 5 plus 4, 9 by 20. So here from this equation you have to find the value of x. So you want to remove this 6. So this 6 is going to multiply with 9. So like this, if we can write x is equal to 9 multiplied by 6 upon 20. So you can cut this both. 3 2s are 6, 10 2s are 20. 2 to cut, so 3 and 10. So 9 3s are 27 and 10. So 27 by 10 is our answer. Now question number 2, n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. Here you can see that n is a variable. N by 2, 3n by 4, 5n by 6. All the terms having the variables are left hand side, and 21 is a constant. It is already given on right hand side. So here not requirement to change the order of the terms. Let's do the solve the sum. So first of all, find the LCM of 2, 4 and 6. Here I found it. So LCM I got 12. So I want 12 in denominator of all the terms. So here 2 is there. So 2 6 are. So both we multiply with 6. 4 3s are 12. So multiply both with 3. And 6 2s are 12. Multiply both with 2. Okay. And 21 as it is. So you will get all the denominator same. Now you can write all the denominator common, and you can simplify this. If you simplify this, so now this 12 is going to multiply with 21. 12 multiplied by 21. 6n plus 10n, 16n, 16n minus 9n, 7n is equal to 252. 252. Now this 7 is goes to denominator of 252. So 252 divided by 7. If you do the division, you will get the answer 36. So here I got variable n is equal to 36. Question number 3, x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 6. So here this one is the variable, this one is the variable term, this one is the variable term. So all the variable terms take together and all the constant terms take together. Let me see. So here I take x as it is minus 8x by 3 as it is, and this minus 5x by 2 I took left hand side. So it become plus 5x by 2. Here 17 by 6 as it is, my plus 7 goes to right hand side, so it become minus 7. Now make the denominator same. Here through 3 and 2, so 3 2s are 6. So I want 6 in denominators of all, and here also I want 6 in denominators of all. So here x is there, so both numerator and denominator multiply with 6. Here only 3, so 3 2s are 6. So both term we multiply with 2, and here 2, so 2 3s are 6. So both term we multiply with 3, and here 17 by 6 minus 7 multiplied by 6 and 6. Okay, 6 cut, you will answer will be 7. Now if you elaborate this, you will get this term. Now both side we having the denominators same, 6 6. Let me take denominator as a common. So 6x minus 16x plus 15x upon 6 is equal to 17 minus 42 upon 6. If you solve it, so you will get 5x is equal to, so this 6 is going to over here in multiply of 25. So 6 and this 6 will be cut. So 5x is equal to minus 25. So this 5 goes to denominator of 25. So minus 25 divided by 5. 5 5s are 25 and minus sign. So x will be minus 5. Question number 4, x minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 5. So simply friends, what you have to do, this 5 is going to multiplication with this term and this 3 is going to multiplication with this term. And you just open the bracket, this 5 multiplied with this both number, 5x minus 25. And here 3x minus 3 3s are 9. And from these, you take all the term having the variable to the same side and constant having the same side and solve this and find the value of x. So question number 4, sum number 4, you have to solve by yourself. Now let me see question number 5. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 upon 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. So this minus t is a term having the variable. So this minus t is goes to left hand side. So it becomes plus t. Let me see. So here it's a plus t. Now 4 3s are 12. So LCM is 12. So in all the denominator we want 12. So simply I multiply this term with 3, this term with 4 and here 12 by 12. If you elaborate this, you will get the answer. This 12 is going to right hand side. Finally you will get answer t is equal to t. It is very simple and same as we solved the previous sums. Question number 6, m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Now let me solve this sum. Let's take all the terms having the variables same side, m minus 1, and this step is going to left hand side. It is minus, so it becomes plus. Now making the denominator same, so LCM is 6, so make the denominator same, remove the bracket. Okay friends, here one things you just remember, whenever here minus is there, so we want 6 over here denominator, so multiply numerator and denominator both with 3. Okay, so 3 2s are 3, 3 multiplied by 2, 3 in bracket m minus 1, and here 3 is there, so multiply both with 2. So if you remove the bracket, when you open the bracket, so first of all 3m and 3 1s are 3. Okay, that is right. Now when you take all the terms together, so here minus is there, so minus 3m, so this minus sign and this minus sign, so minus become plus 3. If you put here minus 3, so your answer will be wrong. So these things you have to take attention over here. So minus become plus 3, plus 2m minus 4 as it is. If you solve this, so you will get the value of m will be 7 by 5. So this way you can find the value of variable, you can find the value of variable from the linear equation. So here we finished our video. Thank you everyone, have a nice day.